Hey, it's David, Mike's Off-Road. How's it going? Happy summer. Summertime is great. Sitting down here, I've got this 2013 Jeep Rubicon, the JK. Today we did just a simple 2.5-inch kit, rough country kit. It's basically coil springs front and rear, and a nice set of V2 shocks, which is their upgraded shock, which is an amazing shock. Gonna put a set of 285/70/17s on the stock 17-inch wheels. Gonna give you about 33 inches of tire. Still keep it narrow so they drive nice. It makes a great daily driver, as well as gets you up in the mountains so you can play a little bit. And then they also wanted to go with the ARB Bumper. It's a phenomenal bumper. As you can tell, we're doing the mock-up. We are very good at getting these things on here very well. We use our bumper jack to lift it up so that my mechanics can actually get it plumb and square. It does come with brackets to use stock fog lights. And then it's got your LED turn signals and marking lights on them as well. You can do any one of their light options that ARB offers, which are pretty amazing. This one we're going to do a pretty basic at this point. This is actually a birthday present for this gentleman's wife, so she'll be happy when she gets it. It does come with an install kit so that you can install this Warn Winch, which is the VR Series EVO, which has a wireless remote. It comes with a nice little license plate bracket that lifts up and down so that when you're using your winch you can get your license plate out of the way, but it's perfectly legal. This is a synthetic rope winch, so it does have the Haas Fairlead, the only bumper out there that is airbag approved. It makes it really nice to have this bumper jack to get this taken care of, so I only have to have one mechanic do it. But we'll get this thing all squared away, get the marker lights in, the fog lights in, and it'll be ready to go. Going with the narrow tire makes them drive nice, makes them track well going down the road, makes a perfect daily driver. And then if you still want to go play in the snow or go up in the mountains in the summertime, hit some of these fire trails, you got more than enough ground clearance to get up there and get done what you need to get done. Don't need to make any major gear changes. It works really, really well. The new V2 shocks that Rough Country came out with work really well. They're a gas charged shock with stainless steel tubes and nice 7/8 shafts. They work really well. Again, another phenomenal product. Always the shocks make the lift kit. You can throw anything on there you want. If you don't have the good shocks, it's not normally going to ride nice. So the V2 shocks and the addition of this nice ARB bumper and the addition of a winch to get you out if you get in trouble makes it really fun. If you have any questions, give me a call down here at Mike's Off-Road, 586-4103. You can ask for me, and let's get you down and get you lifted and go have some fun. Have a nice summer.